Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the two apps you intend to use. You need both running. Once done, tap the Recent Apps button to bring up the multitask view. This is where split screen is initiated. Make sure the app you want on top supports split functionality. Some media or full screen apps won't. If memory is tight, swipe away unnecessary apps to prevent slowdowns. Now locate the app card you'll pin to one half of the screen and prepare to select the split option. You now activate split screen by tapping the three-dot menu or long pressing the app card. Choose split screen from the menu. Once selected, that app pins to the top or left, depending on orientation, and the Recent Apps view stays available for your second choice. Select the second app from Recent Apps or the home screen. It will fill the remaining space. If you rotate the phone, the layout switches between Portrait 2 stacked windows and Landscape side by side. To finish, adjust the divider between apps by dragging. This resizes the panes for reading versus typing. You can double tap or use the small handle, if the phone supports it, to quickly equalize sizes. To exit split, drag the divider to the top or bottom edge or tap the close control on the handle. The full screen app will remain. If an app freezes or refuses split, force stop and reopen it, or reboot the phone. This clears temporary issues and usually restores split screen function.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.